Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you were trying to visit a specific website in Google Chrome but are instantly blocked by the DNS probe finished NX domain error, it means your browser cannot resolve the requested domain name into a valid IP address. I have verified the most effective network troubleshooting methods, and I will show you exactly how to permanently fix this non-existent domain error right now. Let's get started. First, your operating system maintains a local directory of IP addresses to speed up loading times. If this cache becomes corrupted, it will falsely report that active websites do not exist. Click your Windows Start menu, type CMD, right-click the command prompt, and run it as an administrator. Inside the terminal, type ipconfig //flushdns and press Enter. Once cleared, type netsh Winsock reset and hit Enter again to completely rebuild your network adapter's software configuration. Next, Google Chrome operates its own isolated DNS cache that functions completely independently of your Windows system. If you flushed your OS but the web page is still blocked, Chrome is likely holding on to the broken routing data. Open a new Chrome tab. Type chrome://net-internals/#DNS directly into the URL bar and hit Enter. On this hidden diagnostic page, click the Clear Host Cache button. Afterward, completely exit and restart your browser. Finally, if the error persists across multiple websites, the default domain server provided by your internet service provider might be offline or actively restricting your traffic. Press the Windows key and R to open the run box. Type ncpa.cpl and hit Enter. Right-click your active internet connection and select Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and input 1.1.1.1 for the preferred server and 1.0.0.1 for the alternate. Click OK to connect through Cloudflare's high-speed, secure public DNS. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.